Have you ever wondered why Russian churches are so visually distinct and what stories they may hold within their walls? To unravel this mystery, we must journey back in time to the birth of Christianity in Russia in the 10th century. The first Russian churches arose in the wake of Prince Vladimir's conversion to Christianity in 988. These early churches were wooden structures, humble in their appearance, yet they marked the beginning of a rich architectural tradition. The Church of the Tithes, built in 989 in Kiev, stands as the earliest example, though no longer in existence. The 12th century brought about a significant shift in construction materials from wood to stone. This change allowed for more elaborate designs and the introduction of the unique onion domes. The Church of the Intercession on the Nerl, built in 1165, serves as a beautiful example of this era, with its single elegant dome and intricate stone carving. The Mongol invasion in the 13th century led to a hiatus in church construction. However, when it resumed in the 14th century, the Russian church architecture witnessed a new wave of creativity. The Cathedral of the Annunciation, built in Moscow in 1489, marked this rebirth with its blend of Byzantine and local architectural styles. Fast forward to the 16th century, and we find ourselves in the era of Ivan the Terrible. His reign saw the construction of the magnificent St. Basil's Cathedral. Completed in 1561, this cathedral remains one of the most iconic symbols of Russia, with its vibrant colors and multiple domes, each uniquely patterned. The next few centuries saw a fusion of Western influences into Russian church architecture, leading to the Baroque style of the 18th century. The Smolny Cathedral in St. Petersburg, completed in 1757, epitomizes this era with its ornate decorations and towering spires. Moving into the 20th century, Russian churches faced a period of decline during the Soviet era. Many suffered damage or destruction, and religious activities were suppressed. But with the fall of the Soviet Union in the early 90s, there has been a revival. Churches are being restored and new ones are rising, carrying forward the rich tradition into the 21st century. To sum up, Russian churches are more than just architectural marvels. They are a testament to the nation's tumultuous history, the resilience of its people, and their enduring faith. From the early wooden structures of the 10th century to the vibrant multi-domed cathedrals of the 16th century and the ornate Baroque churches of the 18th century, each era has left an indelible mark on this architectural landscape. Despite challenges, the tradition continues to evolve, ensuring that the beauty of Russian churches will continue to captivate us for centuries to come.